ma vaatan värk välja. Siin ju selline on, et kõik on ilusti peal, et Reimo liiga ilusaim värav, märts 2018 ja minu nimi. Ja siis on, et mis seis ja mängu ja kellega mängisime ja kuupäeva ka täitsa olemas. 13.3.2018.
Mama told me one day I'ma grow up big and I'ma be a king. And my papa told me it's okay to sit when shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams cause they'll get you through this so-called life they call living, but I call it strange. And I bet I'll do it cause I'm on my way and strong enough that I can shake the pain. Hey, Mr. Sunshine, Mr. Rainstorm, meet me in the conference room, we need to brainstorm. Need some middle ground, need an even keel. But you're a war, pick up sides, give me fever chills. Take them both like my flu shot broke. I need to give and take to keep me out of that moat. My head above water, thoughts of those lost this week. All these tragedies say on repeat like we can't shake shit. I can't speak on it, fist to the sky but I can't beat on it. Drinking my cup so I'm gon' sip on him. Cam Newton's probably pissed, he can't stiff on him. All these levels of these relative problems and benevolence is elegance for those who can solve them. I'm feeling pretty low like I'm stuck at the bottom, but I know I'll breathe